and today I'm going to show you one of our upgraded models in the synthesis floor plan. Come on in. This unit is 820 square feet, and with that you get tons and tons of storage space. Got a big double door closet here in the hallway, as well as a pantry with built-in shelving right next to the kitchen. The storage doesn't stop there. This kitchen has plenty of cabinet space and tons of counter space as well. You have all these beautiful stainless steel appliances that are brand new, as well as these upgraded quartz countertops and subway tile in the kitchen. And then through here, you've got an extended living area. Like I said, this unit is 820 square feet, which is way on the tail end of how big our one-bedroom units get. All of our units come equipped with a full-size washer and dryer. And then this bedroom has a huge walk-in closet. This bedroom is really spacious as well. You can comfortably fit any size bed in here. All of our urban style one-bedroom units have this half wall going on. Since there's no window in the bedroom itself, we want to make sure there's plenty of natural light from these big windows over here, as well as good ventilation. In all of our apartments, we also give every resident a compost bin. Here at AMLI, we're very serious about our commitment to sustainability, which is why we also use energy-efficient appliances and make our community completely smoke-free. And here we have our bathroom with a really spacious garden-style tub and updated plumbing and finishes. Here at AMLI, we take our residents' needs very seriously, so if you ever have an issue with any of your plumbing or appliances, we have a 48-hour service guarantee. What that means for you is that if anything gets broken or stops working, our maintenance staff will come and resolve the issue within 48 hours, or you start accruing a credit towards your rent. Here we have one of our thermostats. We have separate thermostats for the living area and for the bedroom, so you can keep everything at whatever temperature makes you feel comfortable. We have built-in heating in every unit, and if you'd like AC, we have portable units you can rent from us for $75 a month, and we can have our maintenance staff come and set it up in the window for you. Thank you for taking the time to come tour with me today. We hope to call you our newest neighbor soon.